Let me tell you some sobering facts about the material that goes to landfill. Now, this is specific to Auckland, but I reckon it's pretty much general around the country. 50%, half of the material that gets delivered to landfill comes from the construction sector. We're about 15% of the economy, so we are punching well above our weight in terms of how much we contribute to waste in New Zealand. And I think that's an appalling statistic. How much do you think could be diverted from landfill? 10%, 20%, 30%, maybe half if you try really hard? Well, the reality is, from a bin like this, as much as 75%, diverting this material should be a commonplace practice on all New Zealand building sites. We can't really consider it rubbish anymore because it's not. Scrappy old piece of timber like this, piece of architrave like that, even with the nails in it with a bit of paint on it, can go through a chipper and be either used as mulch or in some cases can be used as fuel for furnaces, much better than burning coal. The inner core of plasterboard is gypsum. This is a product that when separated from the paper can be reused in agriculture and horticulture as a fertiliser. Over here we've got some concrete and some steel. They can be separated out. The aggregate, the old concrete, can be crushed and reused for hard fill. The steel obviously is pretty easily recyclable. So if you think about old roofing iron, maybe even some old joinery, if it's metal joinery, if they're metal, can in fact be recycled. I would suggest that if you're a client with your own renovation or a new build, it should be a discussion that you're having with your contractors from day one. Chances are near you there'll be a community recycling centre, a resource recovery centre. And if you want to look at some details online, check out the Ministry of Environment. Their website has a lot of tips on waste minimisation, a lot of information about reducing construction waste, and the brand's website also has a whole series of articles around construction waste in particular.